goals, yeah. I've been making Super Bowl goals all my life. Take it back to when I was younger. Let me show you the hunger. Backyards with my brothers, hitting with lightning and thunder. Bro, playing like Key Vic, he ain't throwing, he a runner. Yeah, them trench battles be heated in the middle of the summer. Yeah, I work my way up now, I'm under them bright lights. All my life at Super Bowl goals, damn right. Generally direct a movie like I'm spying. They all talk fizzing up, but I see through them like Sprite. I go for 6 when I touch the ball like a Mike. And I need that trophy, not tomorrow, but tonight. Feel it, where they drinking and rolling that Bud Light. Pit of misery to the ones who thinking they taking flight. I've been making Super Bowl goals, yeah. I've been making Super Bowl goals, damn right. Hashtag Super Bowl goals, yeah. I've been making Super Bowl goals all my life. I got them Super Bowl goal thoughts in mind. 4 steps ahead, why they a couple steps behind? Think we won't go for it, but we trick them every time. Playing with house money, go all in when them rings is on the line. I've been making Super Bowl goals, yeah. I've been making Super Bowl goals, damn right. Hashtag Super Bowl goals, yeah. I've been making Super Bowl goals all my life.
Shoulders. Turn up. Turn up. Turn up. You know what I mean? Holla at me. Holla at me. Eagles fly on the road to victory. Fly, Eagles fly. Score a touchdown, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hit 'em low, hit 'em high, and watch our Eagles fly. Fly, Eagles fly. Y'all know what time it is, man.
Let's go!
Philly all day, baby.
Philly all day!
You know what time it is. And we'll be back.
Oh, the light? Okay. Like her bed. She took it down.
Don't forget we have our Bravo tickets medal underneath the Houston Eagles and sign. Along with Rich holding up underneath the sign. Don't forget we are donating this month to the beer resource for children in CPS. We are trying to do Christmas gifts all the time.
So yeah, man. Now we're gonna get into the people that need to step their game up. Step your game up, my boy. Step your game up, my boy. Today, I need you to step your game up, my boy. Step your game up. You feel me? Number 1. I'm gonna go with the new free safety acquisition, man.
Kevin Byard.
You know, a lot of people say you ain't panning out right now. You know, I know that you just got here. You just learned the new playbook. I know that you know what I'm saying, had to get your feet wet a little bit. But now that you got the bye, you done had time to study. I like how you're answering your interviews and how you dissecting how to look at different coverages and how you respect your opponents and how you know, get ready and watch film. I'm loving that. But it's time to put it all together and step your game up, my boy.
Step your game up, my boy.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like Kevin Byard get an interception this game.
You know what I'm saying? I feel like Kevin Byard get an interception this game.
Kevin Byard, hey, we needed that. I'm gonna think of this on the podcast 2 weeks ago. I know what time it is. Pick up now. CLES Eagles.
That nigga thought he had a gun down. Thought again.
Who you with, Chris?
Thought again.
What they do, boy? So you want to Jersey Mike? You a low down dirty dog, motherfucker. Low down dirty motherfucking dog. You know what time it is, man. Hey, man, we be back. Yeah. I feel like Kevin Byard get his first interception as an Eagle this game. I think it's the first interception he'll have all year, if I'm not mistaken. I have to look that up. But yeah, Kevin Byard, number 1. Step your game up. Number.
Playtime is over.
Oh.
Halftime. Playtime is over. Halftime never started. Halftime, I think it's halftime. I'm gonna see what it is. My bad.
bullshit, man.
Big play. It's time to do that. That's what I'm saying. I said, dang. The other way is a penalty. It's bullshit, bro.
We'll be back. That's a new play too. I ain't seen that play before. Red zone count. Why he stopped running? He stopped running. He stopped running, man. What the fuck going on? Man. Come on, baby. Gotta at least get, we want the touchdown. We gotta at least get 3. We want the touchdown right here, though. Devontae Smooth ran that boy Eric Reed over though. On game. On bird game. Gotta have this. Come on, hike the ball. That's what we needed. That's what we needed. Let's go. Fly, eagle, fly on the road to victory. Fly, eagles, fly for a touchdown. 1, 2, 3. Hit 'em low, hit 'em high, and watch fly, eagles, fly. Fly, eagles, fly on the road to victory. We'll be back, down by 3. Fumble, baby! Fumble! Roby, I see you, Roby. Welcome back, Roby. Welcome back, Roby. I see you, my boy. Eagles. Woo, Roby with the peanut punch. Kobe with the peanut punch, man. We needed that. Let's go to work.
Hey, look, okay, Pop Philly right now. Hey, look at this man.
What time it is? You know what time it is. Philly in our motherfucking house, man. Let's fucking go.
What's up, nigga?
You know what time it is.
What's up, nigga?
You know what time it is. We're just doing a lot of brotherly shoving, man.
Baby.
You know what time it is.
Bird gang, baby.
Talk that noise, man.
You already know, boy.
Yeah.
It is.
Hurts is the bounce back kid, man.
Tell me about it, baby.
Come on, Cubby. That's a loss of down too.
It's gonna be 440 something.
Where's it gonna be at? Yeah. I want every yard. Every motherfucking yard.
This for the game right here, man. This for the game. And he dropped it. We'll be back. 4 for 25, baby. This for it all right here.
All day, baby.
All day, 9-1. 9-1, man.
Let's go. That's it. That's it. Let's go, baby. We outside, goddamn it. No one likes us.
No one likes us. We don't care. We're from Philly, fucking Philly. No one likes us. We don't care. You know what time it is, man. L-E-S Eagles. Andy Reid done went down. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go, baby. 9-1. We talking our best shit tonight. We talking our best shit tonight. Let's go, man. Bird game. Yeah. Let them know. time it is, man. 9-1 on them. Fly Eagles fly, man. Great W, man. Great W. You know what time it is. Oh, my bad. Uh-oh. I mean, I thought this was a gauntlet. I thought we was gonna have a hard time, man. I thought this was gonna be a loss. We found a way.
What's up, man?
We found a way.
9-1, baby. You know what time it is. We gonna keep
Best
on doing
team
it.
in the league, baby.
Hey, go fucking Birds, baby. Go fucking Birds.
Yeah. Best team in the league, yes. Yes, ma'am. Did they forget?
What's up,
Did they forget who the best team?
We the best.
We the best college. We the best college, man.
We the best.
Come on, man. Say something for your league. Say something for your league. Bird. You know what time it is, man. Eagles. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Let's go Birds, baby.
Yes, sir. 9-1. I thought they said this was gonna be a gauntlet, man.
No, ain't.
I thought this was supposed to be the hard part. I thought this was. Yeah.
Who we got next?
Who next? It's the Bills, man. They food too, man. It's the Bills, man. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, is this the Chiefs fan? Oh, she's mad. She on the phone. Hey,
Let's go.
You know what time it is? Bird gang, baby. You know what time it is. Come on, man. I know what time it is. I know what time it is. Yeah. Hey, man, 9-1 feel good. 9-1 feel good. Hey, how 9-1 feel to you? It feel good.
Right.
It feel good.
Born and raised Philadelphia, this shit feel good.
Let them know. Talk spicy. Talk spicy to them.
Like, you already see these motherfuckers
Man, they mad. Ooh, crying. Hey, they heard
Super Bowl all over again, okay? But in the
revenge.
opposite effect.
Revenge in a full effect. Hey, they say revenge is a dish served cold.
Okay, karma's a motherfucker.
Yeah. Fly, Eagles, fly. Yes, sir. Come on, man. I thought this was supposed to be the hard part. Yeah. I'm gonna go cut it through here. Let's go, baby. Let's move in. 7-3. So, hey, 7-3. You know what time it is? Fly, Eagles, fly. Fly, Eagles, fly.
Right.
Yes, sir. We're gonna catch up with, man. You know what time it is. Tell them boys, you know what time it is. What we smoking on tonight? We smoking on that cheese pack tonight, man.
Hey, you want to fly fast? You fly alone. You want to fly far?
You fly together, man. Tell them, hey, yeah. That's the motto. That's the motto, man.
Hey, fly, you can fly. Y'all know what it is.
Hey, bro, I thought they said this was the hard part, though.
Easy.
I thought, we made it look easy.
for everybody.
We didn't even show up in the first half.
Exactly.
Second half, we're gonna shut them out. We're gonna shut them out in the second half, man. Come on, man. I thought this was supposed to be the hard part. You know what time it is. Go, Bird. I already know what it is. Hey, man, talk spicy to him. Talk spicy to him, man.
Sir, fuck them Chiefs.
What?
Jalen Hurts MVP. We going to the bowl. Back at it again.
Yeah.
5-5.
You know what time it is, man. You know what time it is. Yeah.
We ain't come to play.
Talk crazy.
Let's go. We already know numbers don't lie.
Yeah.
Numbers don't lie.
Yeah.
Numbers just don't lie. Let's
Yeah.
go. Let's go. Let's get it.
Okay. We in this joint, man. We in this joint, man. Oh, okay. Yeah. Tell them, man, 9-1 feel good. When you look good, you feel good, man. You feel me?
Second half shutout, man.
The boys, they ain't scored nothing in the second, man. I'm trying to tell you. Yeah. Come on, man. I thought this was the hard part. I thought this was supposed to be the hard part, man. I'm trying to figure out. this is when the toughest part. You know, maybe when we play the Bills, then the gauntlet gonna start. You know what I'm saying? Once we play the Bills, then the gauntlet gonna start, right? That's what y'all telling me. That's what they told us. That's what they told us, right?
Yeah, baby.
Man, come on, man. They said this was the hardest part of the schedule. Let me tell you what the Eagles did. We're gonna play shitty in the first half, man. Yeah, we can afford to play shitty. You know what I'm saying? Come back, defense stranglehold. No points in the second half, man. No points in the second half, man. Sean Desai, man, did his motherfucking job. Come on, man. I thought this was the hardest part of the schedule. All I see is food. Come on, man. We'll be back. All right, this is the Fly Eagle Business Podcast. Who I got here with me today?
Lexi Curry. Go Birds, baby.
Go Birds, go Birds. Hey, so we just whooped up on the Chiefs. You know what I'm saying? But before we get into that, how long you been an Eagles fan?
My whole life, 28 years, born and raised in Philly.
Yeah. Okay. So you see, we got that win tonight. We 9-1. What you think of the team this year?
Oh man, never have I ever felt so many heart attacks.
Yeah.
I think we've got the potential to be a Super Bowl team. We just got to get there. When we play to our potential, it's good football. When we make silly mistakes, the play calling confuses me a little bit. But you know, we got a new offensive coordinator. We got to get in the rhythm. And when we play good football, we are the team to beat.
We are the team to beat, and that's why we're the best team in the NFL right now.
Yeah, baby, let's go.
You know what time it is. All right, so what you think of the future of the team?
I think Swift is going to change the game. I think if we can just get into a rhythm with our play calling and learn how to hold the ball when we need to hold the ball, I think we got all the potential in the world. We just gotta get into a rhythm.
I agree. Hey, yeah, so, you know, this is the Fly Eagle Visuals Podcast. You can do whatever you want. Go crazy, say a chant, shout out whoever you want, just go crazy.
R-I-E-A-G-L-E-S Eagles, baby!
Okay, yes, sir.
Let's
Fly
go!
Eagles fly. All right, it's the Fly Eagle Business Podcast. Who I got here with me?
I got Brooklyn with me, Miss Hollywood. Feel me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay. How long you been an Eagles fan?
All my life. I'm from Philly. Philadelphia all
Okay.
day. Period.
What part of Philly you from?
North Philly.
North Philly? Okay, born and raised. I feel you. Yeah. Okay. All right, so what you think about the team this year?
Oh, it's up.
It's up.
It's up. And we're going to do the same thing over again, but we're going to make it this year. We're going to make it all the way to the Super Bowl.
I like the energy. Yeah.
We out here.
Yes.
And if we're not, police is going to act a fool.
Yeah.
Like we always do.
Okay. So what you think of the future of the team? You think we got a dynasty?
We always have a dynasty. And you know, I love my Jalen Hurts.
Yeah.
We gotta keep him.
Channel View, stand up.
We gotta keep him, Jalen Hurts. But it's gonna be good. The future is great. Like, we're always gonna be good. Like, period.
Okay. So hey man, shout out whatever you want. Shout out your brand. Do a chant. Go crazy, man.
Shout out to Philly, of course.
Yeah.
You know, I'm out here in Houston, but I'm flipping it up.
Okay.
And, you know, shout out to Miss Hollywood. No mixture, it's my brand. And we out here.
Okay. Period. All right. Fly Eagles fly. Hey man,
Yes, sir.
you gotta
baby.
talk to him for me before I get out of here, man.
It's Bird Gang all day, baby. What are we like, 9-1 or something?
9-1,
like
man.
I don't even know the number, man. But these boys gonna understand right now. Hey, it's what it called? Brotherly shove?
Yes, sir.
If you want to call it, man, we shoving these boys out the way.
Yeah.
They gonna get it right. I'ma holler at you, though.
Yes, sir.
Hey.
Hey man, but one thing I gotta say, man, I thought they said this was gonna be the toughest part of the schedule. I thought they said this was gonna be the toughest
We
part
ain't
of the
said
schedule.
yet. No
Come on,
pressure.
man. Hey, they said who we got, but they got us.
Hey, pressure bust the pipe, my man.
Man, come on,
Hey,
man.
and we the pipe. So you gotta bust us, my nigga.
For real.
We one game up, baby.
Fly Eagles fly,
Hey,
man.
That's it. All day, every day.
Yes,
baby.
sir.
Fly, Eagle fly. AGLES all day, baby.
Yes, sir.
You know what the fuck going on, man? We don't fans, nobody like you, feel me?
We everywhere.
But we take a flight, you feel me? Yeah. No one likes. No one likes us. No one likes us. We don't care. Hey, we from Philly. Fucking Philly. No one likes us. We don't care. And we ain't have rings. But now we got rings. And it's icy. See the glare. Hey, we from Philly. Fucking Philly. And no one likes us. We don't care. Hey, we flying high. We fly the highest if you ain't know. We flying high. Hey, we take a flight if you ain't know. We flying high. We flying high if you ain't know. We take a flight. Yeah, we fly the highest. Run them dogs, run faster. Dogs running fast.